A very good morning to dear Conrads. Let's start our revision for the final term. And we are going through the chapter number 8, Forests are Lifeline. And we are doing today checkpoint that is given on the page number 78. Okay. So as the name suggesting, forest our lifeline. You know well, green plants are the producers. We all are depend on the green plants, right? Not only for oxygen, but for food products, medicine, timber, everything we get from the forest or green plants. Okay, so these are our lifeline because they support our life. That's why. So the first question here is, name any 5 forest products that are used by human in daily life. So the 5 products are wood pulp, that is used to make the paper and is used in paper industries. Medicine, to make any drugs or chemical substance. Timber, in order to make windows, doors, everything that is made up of wood. Then wax and resins. These all are the 5 products that we get from the forest, and these 5 products we use daily in our life. Okay, label the following layers as per the structure of forest is given in the diagram. This diagram is given here, and this is the diagram of forest where trees are present. So you have to label them according to their layers. So first the layer that is known as canopy, that is present at the top, and it's like a mushroom shaped or umbrella shaped, that is canopy. After that understory comes. This is the understory. After canopy the layer is understory, and at the below of understory there is a forest floor. So these are the 3 layers that are present on the forest. Okay, next is question number 3. How do forests help in regulating the earth's temperature? Very important question. As you know well, when there is a rainfall, all the water gets seepage under the ground, okay, and make a water table also. Then the roots of the plants, the roots of the trees or plants, they absorb all the water, and and when there is a heat temperature in the environment, that water releases outside in the form of water vapor, and the process through which it releases in the form of water vapor is known as transpiration, and thus it helps in the increasing the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, and which leads to the formation of clouds and also regulate our climate or of the environment. Okay, so thus the forest helps in the regulating the earth's temperature. Next question of 4 is, how do forests maintain the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen in the environment? As you know well, as we are depend on the forest or trees or plants for the oxygen, they are also depend on us in order to get carbon dioxide. So forests maintain the balance between carbon dioxide and oxygen in nature, because plants give us oxygen, and in return we give them a carbon dioxide. They produce oxygen by the help of the process known as photosynthesis, and they releases oxygen that during the respiration or transpiration, and thus we utilize that oxygen for our respiration. Okay, so this is the way through which the forest maintain the balance between the carbon dioxide and oxygen cycle, and this process is reversible. Next question is, how are animals useful to plant? Explain with 2 examples. So 2 examples which we have taken. First is in pollination. For pollination, animals help the plant in order to fertilize or reproduce, and the second one is in order to provide the nutrients to the soil. Okay, how they provide nutrients to soil? When the organism get decay, okay, when they get decomposed, and some animal make the shelter on them, and thus they provide all the nutrition from their body toward the soil, and that soil give the nutrition to the green plants, and thus they get a better development and growth. So this is the way through which animals are useful to the plants. Okay, so these are the 5 questions we have done. Revise it at your home, and wherever you are having any doubt or any problem, you can ask direct in the online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.